Brother, most drivers think car batteries are weak by nature. 3 years, maybe 4, then dead. That belief alone costs people money. The real problem is not the battery, it is how we treat it every single day without noticing. Studies from automotive service groups show battery life drops fast because of driving habits, not brand. The solution starts with awareness. Your battery reacts to heat, short trips, and constant drains. One simple habit change can double its life. Today, I will show you how some batteries quietly last over 8 years, and this will change how you treat your car starting today. Stay with me. Here is the science part, buddy. Lead-acid batteries hate being undercharged. Popular automotive studies show that shallow charging slowly kills internal plates. The fix is simple. Let the alternator fully recharge the battery. Short drives are the enemy. If your daily trips are short, you must adapt. A longer drive once a week helps balance the charge. Practical tip: combine errands into one longer drive. This alone can add years. And in the next part, I will show you a mistake almost everyone makes at night. Brother, leaving electronics on is silent damage. Interior lights, dash cams, chargers, all drain power even when parked. Experts agree parasitic drain is a top battery killer. The solution is discipline. Turn everything off before locking the car. Tip: check cabin lights at night from outside. Motivation time. Taking care of small details builds long-term reliability. Your car rewards attention. And next, we talk about heat, the invisible killer. Heat ages batteries faster than cold. Automotive labs show high temperature speeds chemical breakdown. The solution is smart parking. Shade matters more than you think. Tip: park under cover or use windshield shades to reduce engine bay heat. Less heat means slower battery aging. Curious yet? Next up is why cheap batteries sometimes die faster. Many think price equals life. Not always. Battery life depends on matching capacity to vehicle demand. Studies show undersized batteries fail early. Solution: always choose the correct capacity rating. Tip: check your manual, not the salesperson. This choice alone separates short life from long life batteries. And coming next, maintenance that most drivers ignore. Brother, dirty terminals choke power flow. Research shows corrosion increases resistance. The fix is basic cleaning twice a year. Baking soda and water works. Tip: clean terminals before winter and summer. Motivation: small maintenance prevents big failures. Consistency beats luck. Next, charging habits you never considered. Modern cars pull power even when off. Experts recommend occasional battery health checks. The solution is testing voltage once a year. Tip: use a simple tester or service check. This gives early warning. Next, we talk about why idling does not charge like you think. Idling feels helpful, but it is weak charging. Studies confirm alternators need driving speed. Solution: drive instead of idle. Tip: avoid long idle warm-ups. Motivation: smart habits save money quietly. And next is cold starts and what really helps. Cold starts strain batteries hard. Science shows voltage drops sharply. Solution: reduce electrical load before starting. Tip: turn off AC and lights before start. Motivation: preparation prevents stress. And next, why jump starting too often is bad. Jump starting helps once, but repeated jumps damage plates. Experts warn it shortens lifespan. Solution: fix the root cause. Tip: test battery instead of jumping again. Next, storage mistakes that kill batteries fast. Long parking without driving kills batteries. Studies show self-discharge plus drain equals failure. Solution: disconnect or use a maintainer. Tip: use trickle chargers for long storage. Motivation: planning beats replacement. And next, myths about battery brands. No brand lasts forever without care. Data proves usage matters more than logo. Solution: focus on habits, not hype. Tip: Track battery age and behavior. Motivation. Knowledge saves money. Next, charging systems many ignore. A weak alternator kills even new batteries. Experts say charging issues mimic battery failure. Solution. Test charging voltage yearly. Tip. Watch dashboard warning lights. Motivation. Early checks avoid surprises. Next, vibration damage most drivers never see. Loose batteries vibrate internally. Science shows vibration cracks plates. Solution. Secure mounting always. Tip. Check battery hold down regularly. Next, why extreme upgrades cause problems. Aftermarket electronics overload systems. Studies show extra load reduces lifespan. Solution. Upgrade battery capacity when adding gear. Tip. Balance demand and supply. Motivation. Smart upgrades last longer. Next, signs your battery is aging slowly. Slow cranking is an early sign. Experts say ignoring it leads to sudden failure. Solution. Act early. Tip. Test when cranking changes. Next, seasonal habits that help. Seasonal checks matter. Heat and cold stress batteries differently. Solution. Inspect twice yearly. Tip. Clean and test at season change. Motivation. Routine beats emergency. Next, real-world examples of long-life batteries. Batteries lasting 8 years share one thing: consistent care. Data from fleet vehicles proves it. Solution. Treat your battery as a system, not a part. Tip. Follow a simple checklist. Motivation. Longevity is built, not bought. Final thoughts coming. Brother, long-life batteries are not magic. They are maintained. Small habits stack over time. Solution. Apply what you learned today. Tip. Start with one habit this week. You will feel the difference. Final message next. If this helped you, like, share, and comment your experience. Your story may help another driver avoid failure. Disclaimer: consult a professional automotive technician if you have special vehicle conditions or safety concerns.